Hello my dear children, welcome to science class. I hope you all are safe at your places. In today's class, we will be learning about chapter number 6, that is our body. So children, let's begin. Have you ever seen a computer? How does a computer work? A computer works with the help of different parts. For example, input devices, output devices, when all the devices are assembled together and they work together to perform a task, then only the computer can work. Okay? Our body has many different parts which work in coordination with one another to achieve a particular task. So children, in this chapter we are going to learn about different parts of the body, including the organs and organ system, how they are formed, what are their functions, how many types of systems are there. We will be knowing in this chapter. So children, let's begin with the smallest unit of our body, which is known as cells. Cells are the basic structural and functional unit of life. Children, have you seen a building when it is being built? First of all, a small brick is kept. Upon that brick, many other similar bricks are put. Then all these bricks come together to form a particular structure of a building. Similarly, cells are also the building blocks of the body. Our body is made up of different kinds of cells. These cells have different sizes, different shapes, and different functions as well. So, our body is also made up of numerous cells. They are of various kinds. Cells of same size and shape with the same function are grouped together. They all form a tissue. So children, cells are the smallest unit of living beings. So it is the building block. When all the cells, like many cells of same size and same functions, come together, they form a tissue. Okay? So tissue is formed by the cell. All these tissues come together to form a particular organ. For example, we have eyes, we have ears, we have tongue. All these organs have different functions. We can see by our eyes. We can hear with our ears. So, the cells and the tissues that are present in our eyes and ears are completely different. So, a similar kind of cell and a similar kind of tissue come together to form a particular organ. So children, we can compare our body with a house. Our cells are like bricks. Tissues are like walls and organs are like rooms of the house. So now children, when we know how an organ is formed, let's learn about organs in details. So what do you mean by organs? We have different kinds of organs in our body, namely 5 sense organs. Can you name them? These are eyes, ears, tongue, skin, etc. So all these kinds of organs perform a specific function. Like with the eyes we can see, with the ears we can hear. We cannot see by our tongue or we cannot taste by our ears. So every organ has its specific function to perform. So a specific kind of cells combine together to form a specific kind of tissue. Now these tissues combine together to form an organ. So basically organs perform specific function in our body. Okay? Now all these organs combine together to form a particular organ system. Okay? So a group of organs that work together to perform a particular task is called organ system. So children, different kinds of organs combine together to achieve a particular task. Okay? For example, mouth, food pipe, stomach, intestines and anus help us to eat and digest food. Therefore, they form the digestive system. Mouth, food pipe, stomach, intestine and anus, all these are organs. When all these organs come together, they form an organ system named digestive system. Similarly, our body is comprised of 7 main organ systems. Let's know about the 7 organ systems present in our. All the organs, when come together, they form a particular organ system. There are total 7 organ systems present in a human body. The number 1 system is skeletal system. The skeletal system is comprised of bones. They provide a framework and structure to our body. Next is muscular system. All the kind of muscles present in our body in different locations comprises the muscular system. Okay? Next, digestive system. We already have discussed about this system previously. Next, excretory system. Excretory system help us to wash out the unwanted things present in our body. Next is circulatory system. So children, the main function of circulatory system is to circulate different things, especially oxygen, throughout the body. Blood is the main organ of circulatory system. Okay? Next is nervous system. The main function of nervous system is to control the balance of our body. It comprises of brain, nerves, etc. Now, last but not the least is reproductive system. Reproductive system help to produce young ones. Okay? We will be learning about all the 7 systems in details in the next class. So, let's revise once more. All the cells come together to form a tissue. Okay? Cells are the basic structural and smallest unit of all living beings. So all the cells come together to form a tissue. All the tissues come together to form organs. And many organs come together to form an organ system. And all these organ systems comprises of human body. So children, I hope today's lesson is clear to all of you all. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe.